Lesson number 12 will let us make one cylinder chart. We got data here. There are 4 sales people A, B, C, D. And in this quarter, they have been given some target and they have achieved 55%. B has achieved 65%, C has achieved 76%, D has achieved 45%. Deficit is 100 minus 55, is 100 minus 65, 100 minus 76, because 76 is in B, B6. And this one I'll put some dummy figure. I'll tell you why it is required for us. We have to select this data and go to insert and go to the second one here. You'll get a 3-dimensional box chart. Now this box we have to make it into cylinder. Come here. Right click on any of those boxes. You get something known as format data series and you'll get various items that can be used. I can make it a pyramid. I can make it a cone, but I'm interested in cylinder. So I get a cylindrical shape here. Now I need to change the color of this thing. Let me retain this as blue itself. Let me change the color of this. Right. Let me change the color. It's coming as blue. Let me make it red. Let me change the color of this. Before that, let me change. When you click once, everything gets selected. Click second time, only this particular. Now this color I want to make it red, but lighter red. So color is red again, but transparency reduction. Now this one, let me make another color and change this also to only this has been selected. Change this also to yellow, but with transparency more. So we are able to see through it. Now again this color, I can choose violet. Then this one again select twice so that only this gets selected. Now this one is again violet, but transparency is more. This one has to be blue. It has to be blue. Transparency more. Now this lid is coming because of this 5555. So by instead of 5555, if I make it 15, you can see what happens. Becomes a bigger lid. Increase all of them. So you can experiment whether you want 5 or 10 or 15. If you get 10, so you get this lid. Now I need to add the data labels. You click here, the plus sign comes here, put data labels. The data labels are not that visible because the color is, so here I can click, instead of black, I can make it white, I can make it bigger, I can make it bold, but this one is white is not correct. You can select only that I can keep it as black. So 55% achieved. Now you want to also find out how much is not achieved. I put a data label here also. And there, I think I make it bold. I can make it bold. And then I can write the title. I can select this one. Target achieved versus deficit. Now here I don't want this legend here. This legend that lead one, I can remove that. Suppose I do not want any grid lines. Click on this one, remove the grid line.